5,000 instructors used courseware this academic year, and 90% of them assigned quizzes directly from the VB Quiz Bank. No work on their part needed. Here are 3 reasons why the Quiz Bank is so popular. Number 1. Instructors get what they need. The VB Quiz Bank has interactive dissection and multiple choice quizzes that follow the learning objectives of courses in anatomy and physiology, pathology, kinesiology, dental anatomy, and biology. We also offer quizzes pre-aligned to the units in popular textbooks. Number 2. Instructors trust our development process. The Quiz Bank is written, reviewed, and checked by our in-house editorial team and instructors who teach the content. Number 3. The Quiz Bank is easy to use. The Quiz Bank is accessed from the menu on the left side of the screen. The search tool filters the Quiz Bank by topic, level of difficulty, and type of quiz. To assign a quiz, select Create New Assignment, then Graded Quiz Bank, and choose a quiz. It's easy to adjust the settings for the quiz itself and make accommodations for individual students. When students take the quiz, grades automatically report to the gradebook. The VB Courseware Quiz Bank has tons of custom features too, but the pre-made quizzes give most instructors just what they need, no edits required. And, as a bonus, grades report right to a gradebook, which means no extra grading work. To try out the Quiz Bank for yourself, contact our education team for a free instructor trial at visiblebody.com/courseware.